Ito po ang aming flyers. Our mission is to guide voters in making wise and informed decisions by choosing honest, capable, and responsible leaders who will work for the good of the people. Guides. 1 is know the candidates. Learn about their background and experience. Choose someone with a good record, not just a good promise. 2. Check their plans, look at their ideas for education, jobs, and safety. Pick a leader with a realistic and helpful plan. 3. Look at their character. A good leader is honest, responsible, and cares for the people. Avoid those involved in corruption or bad leadership. Number 4 is watch the debate and speech. Listen to what they say and how they answer questions. Compare their ideas and leadership style. Number 5. Don't believe fake news. Always check facts from trusted sources. Don't vote based on fame on popularity. Number 6. Vote wisely. Choose a leader who will serve the people well. Your vote can make a difference about us. This brochure helps people choose the right leader in an election by looking at their skill, honesty, and plan. It guides voters to make a smart and a good choice. What we offer: voter education, clear and factual information on their election process, candidates, platforms, and voter rights. Step-by-step voting guide. Instruction on how to register, where to vote, and what bring on election day. Election assistance. Support for first-time voters, senior citizens, and persons with disabilities, PWDs. Facts and help desk. Common question answer plus contact detail for election office. Community engagement. Encouraging civic participation through forums, debates, and election-related events. And quotes. Your vote is your voice. Use it wisely.
Hi guys, mamimigay kami ng flyers.
Sa araw na ito, nagtipon-tipon kami ng aming grupo upang mamigay ng flyers na ang nilalaman ay ang mga dapat nating gawin sa darating na halalan. Marami man sa mga binigyan namin ang di nakinig at di binasa ang nilalaman ng aming flyers. Kahit papaano, may mga nakinig at nagbigay ng malawak na pag-unawa sa aming nilalathala. Ginagawa namin ito upang magising at mamulat ang ating mamamayan para din na makita nila kung sino ba ang karapat-dapat na maupo at magkaroon ng kapangyarihan na patakbuhin ang ating bayan. Kung mahal talaga natin ang ating bayang sinilangan, piliin natin kung sino ang karapat-dapat sa kapangyarihan. Hindi lamang ito para sa barangay namin, kundi para sa lahat ng ating bayan. Tandaan natin na ang ating mga desisyon sa araw ng halalan ay hindi lamang para sa ating sarili, kundi para sa buong bayan. Sa bawat kandidato na ating pipiliin, tiyakin natin na sila ay may malasakit sa ating kalagayan, may integridad at may kakayahang maglingkod ng tapat at mahusay. Huwag natin hayaan ang ating mga boto ay mapunta sa mga hindi karapat-dapat. Tungkulin natin bilang mga botante ang magsaliksik, magtanong at magdesisyon batay sa mga prinsipyo ng katotohanan, serbisyo at pananagutan. Sa panahon ng halalan, mahalaga na hindi tayo madala sa mga panlilinglang at pangako na walang konkretong aksyon. Sana nakatulong kami na mamulat ang ating mga kababayan.